I'm now going to show you how to import a roster. I'm going to click on Import Roster, and an import roster screen like this appears. Select on the drop down to select the store. I'm going to leave it as head office. Click on Download Import Template. And this is what a roster template looks like. You can fill out the user ID number, the date in the correct format, the date, the month, and the year, the start time, the end time, and the break in minutes. I'm going to close this template. I'm going to click on Import. Select on the roster. And this is what my imported roster looks like. Click on Save. And as you see, I have successfully imported the roster. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.